Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you all batik sarees. Some are on silk, some are on tassar. So let's start. This is saree number 1, baby pink color. See, this is the palla part. It will be the body part with floral motifs. Very pretty one. I will show you the draping view. All are Bishnupur silk, as you know. Price 5450. After discount you will get 300 rupees discount on all the sarees too. You will get flat 300 rupees discount on all the sarees. This is saree number 1 and here is the blouse piece. You are getting this type of blouse piece along with this saree. Saree number 1 price is 5450. You will get flat 300 rupees discount on all the sarees. Moving to the next one. Saree number 2. It's a marvelous saree. I must say it's a very pretty one. I liked it very much. This is a chocolate brown color, or you can say dark chocolate color. This portion is for the palla. Just check the palla with batik work. This portion is for palla. You are getting a similar blouse piece along with the saree. This portion is for blouse piece. And just look at the saree. See the draping view of the saree. It's a very smart one. Not for all, but for very smart ladies. I must say, I made this saree on black, on red and on chocolate color. This is the look of the entire look of the saree. It's a very pretty one. You are getting 300 rupees flat discount on this saree. Price is 5450. This is the entire look. Moving to the next one. All the sarees are with silk mark certification. As you know, all are Bishnupur silk. This is saree number 3. Saree number 3, it's a combination of green with a diagonal design. Just check the entire look of the saree. This is the entire look of the saree. Palla part. It's a combination of green with grey, and definitely white is there. This portion is actually grey. It's a diagonal design. Material is Bishnupur silk. Price 5450, but you will get 300 rupees discount on all the sarees. From January, price will increase. It won't be 5450. It will be maybe 5750 or 5650, something like that. This is the entire look of the saree. Saree number 3, silk batik with silk mark, and along with the saree, this portion is for blouse piece. You are getting a blouse piece of solid color with the border for this saree. Moving to the next one, saree number 4. It's a combination of light and mauve and purple. This one is also very pretty. Palla part. Only this border will be in the palla. The entire body. Just check the body. It's a beautiful one. Very pretty, very nice one. Entire body. It's a combination of mauve and purple. All are with silk mark certification. From today's episode, you are getting, if you purchase any saree, you will get 300 rupees flat discount with free shipping. Booking number is 9330866384. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Please share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card, or link, or through net banking. Here is the blouse piece. COD facility is available only within Kolkata, and shipping is free all over India. Saree number, this is saree number I think 4. This is saree number 5. Palla part, it's a maroon color. This portion is for palla. upper border and this portion is for lower border. You are getting a skirt border type image with the sari. This is the entire look. Price remains same, 5450 is the original price, but after discount you will get flat 300 rupees discount. The price will be 5150 with free shipping all over India. This is the entire look. All the sarees are Bishnupur silk with silk mark, and here is the blouse piece. Booking number is 9330866384. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera, so you can call me or you can WhatsApp me for any query. See another one. We call it Alpona Batik. This is the palla part with a very nice combination. It's mud color with deep chocolate color. See, this design, it's a very old design, but people like it. This portion will come in the front part, and this is the lower border. All over cracks is there, and the price is same 5450. After discount it will be 5150. You are getting 300 rupees flat discount with free shipping. This is sari number 6. Sari number 6. It's a beautiful one. For booking, please take the screenshot. Along with the sari, you are getting a contrast blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Moving to the next one, sari number 7. Sari number 7. Palla part. This portion, floral motifs for the palla. Entire body. This is the entire body. It's a panel design with a different color combination. It's a panel design with different color combination. Just check the color combination. It's a combination of blue, white and purple, light purple. All the materials are Bishnupur silk with silk mark. Price is 5450. After discount it will be 5150. Entire look of the sari. Entire look of the sari. Along with the sari, you are getting again a contrast blouse piece. This is the blouse piece along with the sari. For booking, please take the screenshot or mention the sari number. Sari number 8. Sari number 8. Red and white combination. This one is also Alpona Batik. I will show you the palla in this way. This is the entire palla part. Price is same 5450. After discount 5150 with free shipping. Booking number 9330866384. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel. On both the sides you are getting this type of border. It's a combination of white with orange, with red. See, entire look of the sari. Entire look of the sari. Palla part. It's a very pretty one, very traditional. I must say, it's a very traditional sari. Along with this type of blouse piece. Red color is the blouse piece. Now number 9. 9 is a white and black combination. I've shown you red and white. Now this one is black and white. Palla part. This portion is for palla. Our entire body. Just check the entire body. I will show you. It's a combination of black and white. Black and white, very sober one. Silk batik, price 5450. After discount 5150. Entire look of the sari. Entire look of the sari. Palla, and here is the blouse piece. Definitely with this sari you are getting a black color blouse piece. Now sari number 10. This is a Tasar batik. Tasar batik. I have shown this design in silk also. Now it is on Tasar. Palla part. This portion is for palla. Price is 6950. 6950. And again you will get 300 rupees discount. This is the look. This one is also very pretty, the color combination. See, it is the entire look of the saree. Entire look of the saree. Very pretty one. Price is 6950. You will get 300 rupees discount. The price will be 6650. Entire look of the saree. Along with the saree, again you are getting a contrast blouse piece. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For any query you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number. This is another Tasar batik. Palla part. These all are Gachi Tasar with silk mark. Just check this saree. Entire saree with the cracks, with temple motif from the lower border, and the entire saree with the cracks. Cracks has been highlighted in this saree. Price 6950. After discount it will be 6650. 6650 will be the price. Look of the saree, and with this saree you can see this portion is for blouse piece. Moving to the next one, it's a yellow color. Same price 6950. After discount 6650. Palla part. This portion is for palla. It's a very eye-soothing yellow. Entire body with batik work, but it's Tasar material. Price is 6950. After discount it will be 6650. This is the look, and here is the blouse piece. This entire saree with the batik work. Just check. All the sarees are with silk mark and as you know, of very good quality. This saree is zari border tasar, on batik on zari border tasar. Palla part. It will be the entire body. The price for this one is 6450, and you will get a discount of 300 rupees. See, the entire saree with the batik work, and the price will be 6150. This is the look. Just check the entire look of the saree. Entire look of the saree. Another very pretty one. For booking, please take the screenshot or mention the saree number. Booking number is 9330866384. Along with this saree, you are getting a same color with this type of batik work and border, zari border blouse piece. That's all for today. Booking number, I repeat, 9330866384.